ohmathgad.
Oh my god, guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning about the division of complex numbers. So guys, check the description below to check out the subtraction of complex numbers, the addition of complex numbers, and the multiplication of complex numbers, because you are going to be using these concepts in this video as well. So guys, without further ado, let's begin. So guys, whenever you are dividing complex numbers, you have to remember that the denominator, if the denominator is a complex number, you are going to multiply by what we call the conjugate, right? Always. So the conjugate is the same number you have, but the sign of the imaginary part is going to be the opposite. So in this case, we're going to multiply by 5 plus I. So if you have a denominator of 2 plus 3i, you're going to multiply by the conjugate, which would be 2 minus 3i. The reason we do this is because whenever we multiply a minus b times a plus b, which is what we would have in the denominator, is the same thing as saying a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. So whenever we do this, the answer is always going to give us a real denominator and not a complex or imaginary one, right? So let's try doing this in order to show you guys. So in the problem we see here, we have 2 plus 3i divided by 5 minus I. So we multiply times 5 plus I divided by 5 plus I. When we do this, we're going to get 2 plus 3i multiplied by 5 plus I. And in the denominator, you're going to have the product of the sum by the difference of two quantities. And you're going to get the first quantity to the power of 2 minus the second quantity to the power of 2. Now guys, remember, whenever you have I to the power of 2, that is going to be minus 1. So in this case, we're going to get 2 plus 3i multiplied by 5 plus I, and that is going to be divided by 5 to the power of 2, which is 25, and minus an I to the power of 2, which is minus 1. Now, when we do this, guys, we can actually solve it. So we have 2 plus 3i multiplied by 5 plus I. And then we're going to divide that by 25 minus minus 1, which is 25 plus 1, which is 26. And now the numerator is a simple multiplication of two complex numbers. So we're going to get 2 times 5 and 2 times I, which is going to be 10 plus 2i. And then we get 3i times 5, which is plus 15i. And we get 3i multiplied by I, which is going to be plus 3. And I times I is minus 1. And that is going to be divided by 26. So it's going to give us an answer of 10 plus 2i plus 15i minus 3, and that is going to be divided by 26. Now we just add like terms, so 10 and minus 3 and 2i and 15i, and that is going to give us an answer of 7 plus 17i divided by 26. And that is going to be our answer. We can also express this as 7 divided by 26 plus 17 divided by 26i if you want to express it as a single complex number. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. See you on the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!